Unit 4, Basic AutoCAD Operations, video number 2. Using our guide plate drawing on page 1-18, we will continue drawing the guide plate by adding 2 circles inside the object. To do this, we will need to incorporate our offset command as well as our circle command. To begin, we must find the location of the center point of the circle, and those dimensions are noted on our drawing on page 118. So to do that, we will use our offset command, and we are going to place a line that is 2.5 inches away from this vertical line, and then we are going to place a horizontal line that is 3 inches above this bottom horizontal line, creating a center point from which we will draw our circle. To use our offset command, we'll click on offset, and we will see on the screen it says specify an offset distance. So we're going to offset this line, vertical line, 2.5 inches. So we're going to type 2.5, press the enter key, and now it says to select object to offset. So we're going to select our object that we currently have, which is this vertical line. Click one time and move our mouse to the right. The 2.5 distance shows up automatically, and we will click our mouse one more time, and that offsets a line 2.5 inches away from the original line. Next, we will press enter to close the command, and then we can press enter again to re-engage the offset command. So we can type a distance of 3 inches, and we will offset the horizontal line at the base of the object by clicking one time on the line, dragging our mouse vertically north, and clicking our mouse a second time. Press enter to close the command. So now we have a center point which we will use to draw our circle. Now note on the drawing, the circle is set to be a diameter of 2.5. In our circle command, we have several options. We are going to choose the center diameter setting so that we can type in 2.5 and have a diameter instead of a radius of 2.5. So that's very specific. You must choose the correct type of circle before you type your distance, otherwise your circle could be double the size or even half the size it should be. So we're going to choose diameter. Now the instructions on the screen say to specify a center point for the circle, which we have created for ourselves. By offsetting our lines, we will click in the center, move our mouse, and instead of trying to click when the screen shows a 2.0 or 2.5 offset, we're just going to type our number 2.5, press enter, and we have a diameter circle 2.5. Now I'm going to delete these 2 offset lines because we no longer need them. Just select across the drawing, click once on the bottom and once on the top, press delete. The lines will go away. And next we will need to offset some lines on the top and the left side again to find the center point for the second circle. So I'm going to do this quickly. Just watch me go. Offset. I need to offset 5 inches. Close the command. Re-engage. Need to offset 1.5. Press enter. Close the command. I have a center point. I'm going to choose diameter circle because I need a 1.5 diameter. Click. Drag my mouse out. 1.5. Press enter. I'm going to delete my 2 lines. Now, we have completed our object. We know it is drawn correctly because we have the dimensions on our drawing on page 118. So now to finalize the drawing, we'll need to go to our A size tab. We'll change our layer to 0, which is very important. we'll need to go to the View tab, Layout, Rectangular. Click once, click twice. There's my drawing. Click on the box. We're going to scale it. 1:1 will fit without an issue. We will fill out the information at the bottom of the screen. So we're going to double click on the name that's currently there. Our text editor will open. And we put our name here, first and last. Click outside. That will save. Do the same for date. For figure, you can put the guide plate. Project is the unit number, so we're going to say unit number 4. And then put the scale, which is 1:1. So we're going to edit all of those things. Now, once we've done that, we're going to save our file on our OneDrive. Save it as a drawing file. And then we're going to save a JPEG so that we can turn our drawings in on Canvas. So we're going to do, it's different, we're not going to save as, we're going to actually print a JPEG file. So we're going to engage our plotting driver. We're going to say OK to any messages that pop up. We're going to find our plotter. We're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and we will publish to web JPEG. So we're going to publish a JPEG file through our printing driver. Okay, a text box should pop up in this step, and you should choose the third option, which is a custom size, which I've already done, so I did not get that alert this time. Choose the custom size, paper size, which will be the biggest it can be. And then I'm going to select OK. And on my screen will pop up a location to save. You're going to want to choose your OneDrive again. So since you've logged in on your PC, you should have a Cherokee County OneDrive. So here are all my files. You give it a name. It needs to be saved as the same name as the figure. So we will call this the guide plate. We'll click Save. Okay, we're generating an image file. And if we go to the location that we've saved the file, which is OneDrive, if I sort through all of my files here, I should have the guide plate image file, like so. So we might want to rotate this guy so that it's saved in this orientation. I have my title block complete. I have my image scaled. I've saved the file. Now this file can be uploaded into Canvas under the section to turn in your drawings in Unit 4.1, which if we will go back to Canvas, you will turn in your drawings, which are on your overview you will submit. I'm sorry, it's not on there. It's on your flip chart document, which you should have located on your flip chart next to your workstation. So you're going to submit for Unit 4.1. There's 3 drawings plus the guide plate for a total of 4, and you'll turn those in where it says Unit 4.1 rubric.